How do you deal with constructive criticism? Hey, you guys, welcome back. I am Mrs. Johnson, in case you don't know, okay? And today, me and my assistant, we were just cruising. And I said, you know what, I'm going to turn on the video and I'm going to talk about this. And it's called constructive criticism. See, it's a lot of people that say that I don't mind, I can deal with constructive criticism. Somebody telling me that I have to go back, or I didn't do something right, but you got to understand that it's human nature to feel some type of way when someone says something about your work. Okay. And one of the main things for cleaning business owners that I see is to really learn how to take accountability and understand where the client is coming from before you even speak. Okay, before anything come out your mouth, take accountability and understand where the client is coming from. Because sometimes the client might be right, sometimes the client might be wrong, but all in all, you cannot handle the situation negatively or unprofessionally. Okay, and a lot of times, we all know I hire independent contractors. So these are solo cleaners, startup cleaning business owners, and especially for a startup cleaning business owner, you really need to learn how to take constructive criticism. That's all. If someone says my cleaning sucks, you know what I mean? Those are some harsh words to use or whatever. But all in all, you need to learn how to control your temper and really understand first what the client is talking about before you backlash and say, because I did. We are so defensive, especially us. We as black people, we are some defensive ass people. Go back and make the correction. And if they aren't right, it's a way that you communicate with them. It's a way you communicate with them to and still be able to solve the problem, even if you're right, okay, and the client isn't right. Take accountability and constructive criticism. It goes a long way in this business. It really does. It goes a long way, and it will follow you. Because when I was back in the day when I first started, it used to bother me when people made me go back, until I had to learn how to take accountability and see, did I really miss this bathroom floor? Did I really not get all the paint specks off the floor? Did I really not wipe the counters down good? Because you probably wiped the counter, right? You might have wiped the counter off, but maybe, just maybe, you used the rag that you wiped some construction dust off with or something, or you wiped some dust, you used a dirty rag or something, and it had residue on the rag, and you boom wiped it. When you cleaning, we moving fast, maybe you did wipe it, but you used a greasy rag to wipe it off with. I don't know. But take the time and understand why the client is complaining. All in all, guess what? At the end of the day, you still have to go. You still have to please that client if you want to get paid. 5-star service is what you need to be striving for. If the client is a pain in the ass, after they pay you, you ain't got to deal with them no more, baby. Okay? But your reputation means everything. You don't want to have that bad reputation and you don't know how to deal with difficult client type reputation. Okay, you're a business owner now, so you can't really tell people, that you ain't got time for this shit, or you whatever. You can't handle it the same way you would handle it if you were an employee. And I see this a lot in this industry. And I'm the mediator. I'm in the middle of a lot of this stuff. So this morning, I got a call from a client. An email from a client. And he was upset with one of his units, And we did 2 of his units. One of them, my contractor did great. The other one, the contractor didn't do so great. and he was upset about some things, and I had to handle that in a professional manner. At the same time, I had to let the cleaner know that they didn't do such a good job and what the problem was, and I have to handle that in a professional manner too, okay? Or else the cleaner will get upset, and then you have to deal with that backlash. You see what I'm saying? So when you're running a business, like you're caught in the middle of two different entities, and guess what? I never lay eyes on none of this stuff. I don't see none of this shit. I'm just in the middle, listening to what you say. At the end of the day, I have to please these people so that they can pay me, so that I can pay the other person. So everybody has to understand this protocol, okay? But at the end of the day, you got to know how to talk to people. And you have to make sure that your team understands accountability and constructive criticism. Okay, if you got a team of people that understand that, you moving on up. If you have a team of people that don't understand that, you're in for a rude awakening. Okay, because you're gonna have to wake up to a bunch of headaches. You know, because you're sitting here trying to explain to somebody and they're mouthing off at you. No. I did it. You know. All right, man. Leave some comments down below if you got anything to say about this. It just was on my mind, and I just wanted to talk about it. Accountability and constructive criticism, man. A lot of people don't know how to take it. But if you can learn, it'll take you far in your cleaning company. All right? I'm out of here.